5 weight loss breakfast that burn fat fast. What is the secret to burning fat wasn't found in pills or workouts but on your breakfast plate? Yes, the first thing you eat in the morning can literally program your body to shed pounds or store fat. And today we're revealing 5 powerful breakfast recipes that not only taste amazing but help your body become a fat burning machine. And stick around until the end for a bonus tip that can reset your metabolism in just 7 seconds. Why breakfast matters. Before we jump into the recipes, let's understand something crucial. Your breakfast sets the metabolic tone for the entire day. Keep it and your blood sugar crashes, leading to craving and fat storage. Eat the wrong things and your body clings to calories like it's in survival mode. But eat the right breakfast and your body starts burning fat, stabilizing energy and reducing hunger all day long. Let's dive into the recipes that can make this happen. Recipe number 1, green protein smoothie. This is not your average green drink. It's creamy, sweet, satisfying and packed with fat burning nutrients. Ingredients: 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 handful spinach or kale, half banana for natural sweetness, 1 scoop plant paste or whey protein, 1 tablespoon chia seed, half tablespoon cinnamon, ice cube. Blend everything until smooth. Why it works? Protein, carb, appetite and boost metabolism. Chia seeds give your fiber and omega 3s, and cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar, meaning fewer craving later. It takes 2 minutes to make, but the benefits last all day. Recipe number 2, high protein oat bowl. Forget sugary instant oats. This version is clean, filling and perfect for fat loss. Ingredients: half cup rolled oats, 1 cup water or almond milk, 1 scoop vanilla protein powder, 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed, a few berries, blueberries, raspberries or strawberries. Optional: a pinch of sea salt and drizzle of honey. Cook oats as normal. Stir in protein powder after cooking, then top with berries and flax seeds. Why it works? Oats provide slow digesting carbs combined with protein and flaxseed. You get stable energy, fiber, and anti inflammatory benefits. Plus, it tastes like a dessert but burn fat like a gym session. Recipe 3, avocado egg toast with a twist. You've seen avocados to toast before, but we are taking it up a notch. Ingredient: 1 slice sprouted grain or sourdough bread, half avocado mash, 1 boiled or poached egg, 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes, spring for pumpkin seeds, squeeze of lemon. Spread the avocado on toast bread and your egg and top with chili flakes, lemon and seeds. Why it works? Healthy fats from avocado keep you full. The eggs provide protein. Chili flakes give your metabolism a gentle boost, and pumpkin seed, they are packed with zinc and magnesium which support fat metabolism and hormone balance. A restaurant style breakfast that burn fat? Yes please. Recipe 4, Greek yogurt power bowl. This is creamy, crunchy and deeply satisfying. It's go to for busy morning. Ingredients: 3/4 cup plain Greek yogurt unsweetened, 1 tablespoon almond butter or peanut butter, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, 1/4 apple dice, dash of cinnamon, optional a tiny drizzle of honey or stevia. Mix it all together in a bowl. That's it. Why it works? Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotic combined with healthy fats and fiber from seeds and fruits. This breakfast helps you regulate digestion and reduce belly fat over time. Quick, simple and it tastes like a treat. Recipe 5, veggie omelette wrap. Want a savory warm breakfast that actually fuels weight loss? Ingredients: 2 whole eggs plus 2 egg whites, chopped veggies, bell pepper, onions, spinach, mushrooms, a small whole grain tortilla, sprinkle of feta or goat cheese, salt, pepper, herbs to taste. Cook the omelette with the veggies, wrap it in the tortilla, sprinkle some cheese. Done. Why it works? Eggs are rich in choline which support fat metabolism. Fiber from the veggies and whole grain keeps you full. It's balanced protein rich breakfast with serious fat burning potential. Bonus, it's portable so you can eat it on the go. Pro tips for fat loss. Now that you got the recipes, here are the 3 quick tips to make them even more effective. Number 1, eat within 19 minutes of waking up. Delaying breakfast too long causes cortisol to spike spike which can increase belly fat. Hydrate before eating. Drink a glass of water, even better warm water with lemon. It kickstarts digestion and flushes toxin. Number 3. Watch your protein size. Even healthy breakfast can lead to weight gain if portion too big. Use measuring cup or a food scale for precision. Most doctor won't tell you. Here is the bonus most people don't know. Add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to your morning routine. Mix it with warm water and lemon juice before breakfast. Why? Because apple cider vinegars help regulate insulin, improve digestion, and support fat breakdown. It's like a natural metabolic booster, especially when combined with any of the breakfast you just learned. But here's the key. Don't drink it on an empty stomach without diluting. Always mix it with water and rinse your mouth after to protect your teeth. This one small habit can multiply your weight loss result over time. So there's you have it. 5 easy powerful weight loss breakfast recipes plus some metabolism boosting secret that most doctors won't mention. Try any of these for just 7 days and watch how your energy, hunger and waistline begin to change. Start your morning with intention and your body will follow. Please like, share and subscribe for my channel.